Unleash your workshop's full potential with the MF130 from Wood-Mizer, an incredibly versatile tilting spindle molder. Designed for ultimate versatility, you can use the MF130 for straight molding, curved molding, routering, tenoning, and more. The MF130 is a multifunctional spindle with adjustable angle and position. The spindle can be raised or lowered and has a tilting range of 270 degrees. The cutter or router bit can machine the board from below, the side, and from above, at almost any angle. You can mold one board on all four sides, one pass at a time, as well as mold the ends of a board, all with the MF130 single spindle being uniquely configured for each operation. Additional options are available to expand the possibilities of the MF130. When you need ultimate flexibility in your workshop, the MF130 is definitely the answer. Visit Wood-Mizer online or contact your local Wood-Mizer agent for more information about this machine and the entire range of machines that Wood-Mizer has to offer.